Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, before I get started, I'm going to show you guys the dried results. Look at the shimmer. I love this piece. Let me kind of turn it around. Look at the metallic cobalt blue. I am in love with this. It dried perfectly. Yeah, look at that. So, as I mentioned, this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. Look at that. I can't get over the shimmer. It is available for purchase for anyone who is interested in this piece. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com if you would like to claim it. Super duper quick. I am heading off to Seattle, Washington for the Fluid Art Experience workshop. I will be there April 27th to the 29th. If you want information and want to book tickets, you can go to the website. It's www.fluidartexperience.com. That information is listed in the description below as well, and you can find out all that information down below. All right. This is going to be a quick video. I'm like literally dressed up. I've got jeans on. I'm actually getting ready to leave on a jet plane. I am taking a little trip. So I'm actually recording this on March 2nd, and you're probably not watching this for another week and a bit, but I need to get these videos done because I need you guys to have something to watch while I'm gone. So I am going on a little trip, not a big trip, a little trip. And it's a trip for myself, just to get away from life and everything that's been going on around here. And yeah, I'm gonna go have some me time with some amazing friends. And that is it, all I'm gonna say about it. So I'm trying to get this video done super quick because literally when I'm done, I'm like literally packing the car and I'm heading to my parents because I'm going to the airport tomorrow. So anywho, enough about me. Let's talk about the painting. I am doing a 16 by 20 inch. In the last video, a lot of you commented and said you wanted to see the same color palette on an all black base. Yes, a black and white split would look pretty great too, and I may just do that too, but I'm going to do an all black. It's been a while since I've done an all black base, so I'm doing all black. My colors, why did I take the lid off? I'm not even ready to flood yet. That's going to be like a disaster waiting to happen. Oxide Black by Amsterdam, okay? And this and these colors are all mixed with water and Floetrol. For those of you who are new watching, you can find a full video tutorial on how I mix my paints and the ratios that are for different paint brands, because there's different ratios for different paint brands. You can check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Click on that and it's a full video on how I mix my paints. So that is my base paint. Colors I'm using today, I'm adding a color because it's on a full black base. I am going to use Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. Then I've got the Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. Now I did change the order just a little bit, okay? Then I have Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Then I have Pearl Cream by Arteza. And then I have, of course, the color I made up myself, which is a mixture of turquoise green by Amsterdam and titanium white by Amsterdam to make this nice Tiffany color turquoise. And then topping it off, I've got metallic cobalt blue by Loft. So in the last video, I did metallic cobalt blue at the end. And now that I'm looking at these, you see how they're very similar in color? I shouldn't have done that. I will split them up like that. Try not to put two colors that are almost the same color side by side. Don't do it. All right, so I have now split that up and that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm going to put these colors back on the table. I am going to flood my canvas and I will be right back. All right, everybody, canvas is flooded, ready to go. So let's start again. I'm going to do the same composition. Now I know this is a bit of a smaller canvas. The runs I regularly do are an 18 by 24, and this one is a 16 by 20, but that is fine because I've done it before on a 16 by 20. Look already how the turquoise looks against black. And adding this pearl blue by Amsterdam is going to be really, really pretty as well. It's been a while since I've done a black base. Like I've been doing the color splits and all of that. So it's actually quite nice to get back to black. And this is one of the classes I'm going to be teaching in Seattle. There's going to be a white base class, a black base class, a color split, black and white base class. I am doing a resin class where you get to mix some TLP pigments into your resin and create a nice abstract piece of art with your resin and a heat gun. And then I have a class on a large canvas, so an 18 by 24 inch canvas. And I will be teaching a class on a diptych. So you get to do 2 canvases. So there's definitely a bunch of different classes that you can choose from. So if you want to come and see me in Seattle, Washington, you know what to do. Check the website out and come and see me through April 27th through to the 29th. All right, let's pop the bubbles. Oh, I can't wait to see how this blows out on this black base. All right, I've got my flower hair dryer, so let's get going. Wow, I'm loving it. Now, when I show you guys the close-up, there's the border of the pearl blue by Amsterdam. And it almost looks purple, but once it dries, it's obviously going to look blue. So the cell action here is crazy. I'm really loving it. It got really, I kind of like muffled the way I was blowing it out down here. I'm telling you, bigger is better. Like the bigger the canvas, the easier you can maneuver where the paint is going to go. The smaller the canvas, the harder it is for you to blow your petals out. But I love it. I love these colors. Like, I mean, I just love these colors. So let me, I think I don't want to fidget with it too much because I actually really like the way this is looking a lot. I like it a lot. The only thing I might want to fidget with is just a little bit in here just to kind of open it up because it's just like a straight, narrow line. All right, let's not get anything into the painting because I've got nice clothes on. Sometimes I don't like to fidget with it too much because then it just doesn't look natural, but That's a little better. At least it's not a straight, narrow line now. And that is it. I'm not touching anything else. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to fix up my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. Get your sticks, whatever it is you've got, and you want to scrape these drips, okay? Super duper important. Scrape the drips, do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later because there will be more drips. Do it a second and then a third time. You guys, I am loving this more than the white one. I just think it looks so much more bold, more vibrant than it does on white. I love the white. White is more crisp, clean, airy-ish, subtle. And then this one is just like dark, bold, and vibrant. So I'm loving both pieces. But if I had to pick one, it would be the black base. Let's check it out with the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on, but it's a sunny day here, which means my studio is pretty bright, but you can definitely see the shimmer. Now, actually, let me come back down here. You see that border, that outline of the petals? Kind of looks purplish, but once it dries, actually, you can kind of see it's changing blue. That is going to be so pretty. And this is what I said in the last video too. The first color you put down on your canvas is going to be the color that you are going to get along the border of your petals. So keep that in mind. So the first color you put down, that's what's going to border most of your petals. As you can see here, it's bordering almost everything. You see? And there you have it. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Do you like the black base or do you like the white base? And should I do a color split base? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But my opinion, I actually like the black one. I wish there was a little more color in here instead of it just being all black, but it is what it is. Like, I mean, I could blow some of this into here, but then you're just messing it up. So don't fidget with it. Sometimes fidgeting makes it worse. And then guess what? You cannot take it back. You cannot go back. You cannot change it. So sometimes just leave it. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. This one is available for purchase. 16 by 20 inch. If you are interested, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. That is it for me for now. I'm off. I'm going to go take some time for me, although you guys are watching this and I'm actually probably back from my little vacay. But until then, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.